Okay, so it's 5:14 in the morning and we are doing the trek again to reach the sunrise viewpoint, and there is going to be light soon. Okay, so we are near the top and the sun is about to rise. Oh God! Niche cloud. Enjoy the time, let's rise.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life.
Okay, so this was our room and now we are leaving. The time right now is 9:39 AM in the morning, and today we are going a short distance to Tabakoshi. This is a place called Tabakoshi. It's near Mirik and one of the offbeat destination over here. So yeah, let's go. The distance is very short, like 19-20 kilometers from here. So we are going to go with full relaxation. See you guys on the road. Yes, so we are leaving from Green Valley Resort. I will give their mobile number somewhere in the description. These guys are lovely people. The food was totally amazing, and yeah, so let's go. Chalo bhai. And finally we are on the road.
Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.
So this place is called Sukhia. Sukhia market maybe, don't know. Manebhanjan 7 kilometers, Sandakphu 39, Falut 60, and Ringit 53. So this ride from Sukhia will go towards Manebhanjan, but we are going to take the left. Dense pine forest. Okay, so this place is called Simana. Manebhanjan right, Sandakphu right. Simana. Small village. This road will also go to Manebhanjan. just stopped for a little Maggie break, and look at this view. Oh,
Keep view, eh?
had a plate of Maggie, a cup of chai, a plate of momo from this tea stall, and it's just before Sukhia, and the tea was totally amazing. You must visit this place if you are coming to this route. This is the Mirik route, and yeah, let's go. Hope I have taken everything. My bag, mobile phone, yeah, everything is there. Let's go.
Got me through the dark. Stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know, Father. Don't you let me go.
So this is Pashupati, and this is the Nepal border, India-Nepal border, but it is closed now. Pashupati market. This place is also known as Pashupati market, and this is the India and Nepal border. We are in middle of the tea garden.
I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
Absolutely zero visibility. I mean, I can see. What the hell? Oh my god. What is this place, man? Oh god. Okay, so this will go towards Mirik, but we need to go this side because we are going to Tabakoshi, and Tabakoshi is 4.3 kilometers from here. It's a beautiful place, man. Wonderful. So Tabakoshi is like one of the most isolated place in Darjeeling. I mean, it's not that tourist attractive place, you know, where it's not famous among tourists. So it's like very isolated and very peaceful place. And it is more 2.9 kilometers from where we are right now. Okay, so we just sat there on the road for like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and this place is so lovely, man. So lovely. I think this is Tabakoshi. That place is Tabakoshi, I think so. Look at the road, man. It's so narrow. So this is Tabakoshi and it's so beautiful. It's just amazing. So this is the river. চলো তোমরা সাইট সিনে নাকি? আর আমরা তো এখানে স্টে করবো আজকে। হ্যাঁ এই সামনেই বাদিকে কোথাও একটা। So these guys were with us in lepchajagat. এখানেই কোথায় জিজ্ঞেস করতে হবে। সুনাখারি ম্যাপ এখানে এইখানে এসে বলছে এখানে একটা কোথায়। So we have reached our homestay. So this is going to be our stay for the night, and they are taking good care of sanitization and everything, because they told us that to wait outside. हाँ 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 ठीक है, मैं सामने रखूँ, इधर ही सामने रखूँ। हाँ इधर ही रख रहा हूँ, ठीक है। हाँ हाँ वही वही ठीक है। This place is our homestay and it's so beautiful. This place is called Sunakhari Homestay and it's just so lovely.